Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a little bit of a push up today after we had a nice five-wave trend to the downside. Now we do have interest rate coming out for the dollar tomorrow. That is definitely going to be a big news event for all the dollar pairs. So whatever happens now over the next 24 hours or so is definitely going to be setting itself up for the news. I kind of feel like the most likely thing is this is going to make some sort of an ABC correction and continue the downtrend. But if this does, turn down and tomorrow's news comes out and we end up looking something like that, then I would, at that point, I would say that that's probably going to be the continuation of the uptrend. So it really depends on what is going to happen over the next 24 hours. But as of right now, I do think that this move up is possibly a correction to this move down. So if we do get like a nice fib bounce, a nice impulsive move to the downside, I would definitely take it as a short. To me, the trend is down, and we should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.